Chocolate pain. The chocolate prince's kingdom comes to reign. Chocolate pain. The boiling rage can never be contained. Chocolate pain. The burning cities never will sustain. Chocolate pain. The black man rises up and breaks the chain. Chocolate pain. One more black baby stuck in the drain. Chocolate pain. Another child sent to heaven's plane. Chocolate pain. The Jesus was too white, so we refrain. Chocolate pain. Our chosen savior is the Lord T-Pain. Chocolate pain. My rap career pays for my private plane. Chocolate pain. I'll upload before Yeezy steals my game. Chocolate pain. Escaping Section 8 is painful, main. Chocolate pain. The reparation checks came in my name. Chocolate pain. The new job application is my bane. Chocolate pain. The hip-hop booty shakers entertain. Chocolate pain. The twerking females never feel the shame. Chocolate pain. My diet is comprised of crack cocaine. Chocolate pain. We find a white woman and run the train. Chocolate pain. The AIDS monkey will pay the price in vain. Chocolate pain. My kneecap on his neck, the mark of Cain. Chocolate pain. Society forever knows the stain. Chocolate pain. My welfare check's too small, I must complain. Chocolate pain. There's cocoa butter plugging all my drains. Chocolate pain. These stolen Yeezys never fit the same. Chocolate pain. The goddamned white people must take the blame. Chocolate pain. Wakanda is the dream we can't attain. Chocolate pain. Their funding comes from robbing fast food chains. Chocolate pain. That nigga popped a cap right through his brains. Chocolate pain.